Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Tiangong Space Station. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, China said its astronauts aboard the Tiangong Space Station had to take evasive measures on two separate occasions to avoid potential collision with the two of SpaceX Starlink satellites earlier this year. The world's second largest economy, which is growing its presence in space, complained to the United Nations detailing the alleged space incidents. Now moving on to the background. The space station currently in orbit is the International Space Station or ISS, from which China is excluded. A space station is a spacecraft capable of supporting crew members, designed to remain in space for an extended period of time and for other spacecraft to dock. The ISS is backed by the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan and Canada. China has been a late starter when it comes to space exploration. It was only in 2003 that it sent its first astronaut into orbit, making it the third country to do so, after the Soviet Union and the US. So far, China has sent two previous space stations into orbit. The Tiangong 1 and Tiangong 2 were trial stations, though simple modules that allowed only relatively short stays by astronauts. Now let's discuss about China's space station. The new 66-ton multi-module Tiangong station is said to be operational for at least 10 years. The space station is said to operate in low Earth orbit at an altitude of 340 to 450 km above Earth's surface. Tianhe is one of the three main components of what is China's first self-developed space station, rivaling the only other station in service, the ISS. It forms the main living quarters for three crew members in the Chinese space station, and it shall aid China's aim to become a major space power by 2030. Now let's discuss about SpaceX. SpaceX is a private space flight company that puts satellites into orbit and delivers cargo and, more recently, crew to the International Space Station or ISS. It was the first private company to send a cargo ship to the ISS, doing so in 2012. The company sent its first two astronauts to the ISS on May 30, 2020, aboard the SpaceX Crew Dragon, and followed the test flight with the successful launch of 4 astronauts on November 15, 2020. As of early 2021, it is the only commercial spaceflight company capable of sending astronauts to space. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. The ISS or International Space Station is backed by the United States, Russia, Europe and Japan only. 2. China sent its first astronaut into orbit in 2003. Making it the third country to do so after the Soviet Union and the US. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.